have less than 10 miles on this scooter, and for some reason getting some noise on this very annoying noise, like in the middle of the bar. You know, I don't hear any noise like this, and if I lift the wheel up and let it go, no noise. But if there's a weight in the middle here, look like there's some noise in the middle, here. But I don't see any mechanical on the bottom here, and this thing barely like less than 10 miles on it. Not even a scratch on this thing. And I don't get why. I get some sort of noise in the middle of this bar. I don't know why. Or the screw here is all tight. The screw back here is very tight too. It's not loose anywhere. The noise is not from this wheel. And the wheel in the front, I don't know if it's the shock here, but I hear the noise coming from the middle of the bar when I ride it. And one other thing, I left this in my car, and this button just fell out. Pretty disappointing on this scooter. I have less than 10 miles on this. I just ride to work from my parking, where I park like 10 blocks away from work. So I just ride this into my office. Yeah. And this is not the only one I have. I have a couple more. I have one brand new one. I have a brand new one up here that I haven't used yet. And this SWAGTRON, so I need to get, it's still in warranty period. So I'm gonna get in touch with the manufacturer and see what's going on.